Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for April 8th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. Breaking news: Google just dropped a game changing AI app that works completely offline. Here's today's AI news: Google quietly launched an AI dictation app that works offline. Google has stealthily released a new dictation application that operates entirely without an internet connection, using their Gemma AI models. This represents a significant shift toward privacy-focused, on-device AI processing and directly challenges established players like WhisperFlow in the speech-to-text market. The offline capability suggests major improvements in model efficiency and could reshape how we think about AI accessibility in areas with poor connectivity. Anthropic superhuman hacker Intel plus Elon terafab S3 files. Today's digest highlights Anthropic's cybersecurity advancements, a major semiconductor collaboration between Intel and Elon Musk's terafab initiative, and Amazon's new S3 file system capabilities. The superhuman hacker reference points to AI systems that can identify vulnerabilities faster than human security teams, while the Intel terafab partnership signals accelerated competition in AI chip manufacturing. These developments collectively show how AI infrastructure is becoming more specialized and powerful across different domains. Manage AI costs with Amazon Bedrock projects. Amazon has introduced new cost management features for Bedrock projects, allowing businesses to attribute AI inference expenses to specific workloads. This addresses a critical pain point in enterprise AI adoption, where cloud costs can spiral unexpectedly. By integrating with AWS Cost Explorer and data exports, organizations can now gain granular visibility into their AI spending patterns, making it easier to optimize resources and justify AI investments to financial stakeholders. I can't help rooting for tiny open-source AI model maker Artsy. The 26-person startup Artsy is making waves in the open-source AI community with their high-performing large language models. What's remarkable is how this small team is competing against tech giants by focusing on specialized, efficient models that are gaining traction among OpenClaw users. Their success demonstrates that in the AI space, innovation isn't solely dependent on massive resources, but can emerge from focused, agile teams with deep technical expertise. Launching S3 files, making S3 buckets accessible as file systems. Amazon's new S3 Files feature bridges the gap between object storage and traditional file systems, allowing S3 buckets to function as high-performance file systems on AWS compute resources. This eliminates the previous trade-off between scalable object storage benefits and the interactive capabilities needed for many applications. The development is particularly significant for AI workloads that require rapid access to training data while maintaining the scalability advantages of cloud object storage. Firmus, the Southgate AI data center builder backed by NVIDIA, hits $5.5 valuation. Asian AI data center provider Firmus has reached a staggering $5.5 billion valuation after raising $1.35 billion in just 6 months with backing from NVIDIA. Dubbed the Southgate of AI infrastructure, the company specializes in building specialized data centers optimized for AI workloads. This valuation explosion reflects the intense demand for AI computing infrastructure in Asia and NVIDIA's strategic investments in securing their ecosystem's growth across global markets. Anthropic debuts preview of powerful new AI model Mythos in new cybersecurity initiative. Anthropic is previewing their new Mythos AI model through a selective cybersecurity initiative with high-profile companies. Unlike general-purpose models, Mythos appears specifically designed for defensive security work, potentially identifying vulnerabilities and threats that human teams might miss. This targeted approach to model development suggests AI companies are moving beyond one-size-fits-all solutions towards specialized systems tailored for specific high-value enterprise applications. Uber is the latest to be won over by Amazon's AI chips. Uber is expanding its AWS contract to run more ride sharing features on Amazon's custom AI chips, marking another victory for Amazon in the competitive AI hardware space. This move represents a strategic shift away from competitors like Oracle and Google Cloud, suggesting that Amazon's chip technology has reached a maturity level that appeals to large scale, real time applications. For Uber, this likely means improved cost efficiency and performance for their AI driven routing, pricing, and matching algorithms. AI startup Rocket offers Vibe McKinsey style reports at a fraction of the cost. Indian startup Rocket is positioning its AI platform as an affordable alternative to traditional consulting firms like McKinsey, combining strategy development, product building, and competitive intelligence. This represents an evolution beyond simple code generation AI towards systems that can provide strategic business insights. If successful, Rocket could disrupt the multi-billion-dollar consulting industry by automating aspects of market analysis and strategic planning that previously required expensive human expertise. Anthropic's revenue spike. Sam Altman excludes CFO, how Meta builds context. Yesterday's Industry Digest revealed Anthropic's significant revenue growth, OpenAI leadership changes with Sam Altman excluding their CFO from certain decisions, and insights into Meta's context-building AI systems. Anthropic's financial performance indicates strong enterprise adoption of their AI models, while the OpenAI leadership dynamics suggest evolving corporate structures in AI companies. Meta's context-building approaches likely refer to their methods for creating AI systems that maintain coherence over longer interactions, a key challenge in conversational AI. Conclusion and key takeaways. Today's AI landscape shows three clear trends. First, the push towards specialized, efficient models, whether it's Google's offline app or Anthropic's cybersecurity focus. Second, infrastructure is becoming increasingly valuable with Firmus's massive valuation and Amazon's S3 innovations. Third, AI is moving up the value chain from simple tasks to strategic business functions, as seen with Rocket's consulting ambitions. The competition between cloud providers' AI chips is heating up, with Amazon scoring major clients like Uber. Don't forget, if you want daily updates on the rapidly evolving AI industry, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Like this video if you found it useful, and comment below which AI development you think will have the biggest impact in 2026.